I was on the fence. I wasn't sure how it applied to me, but after just going through 10 days of immersion in this high vibration, love-centered, mystical EFT, I can say that I have come into alignment with myself and my divine purpose.
Really, the breakthrough that I had from doing this day after day in this training was that, like, oh, when I clear and when I enter into that state where I love and accept that part of myself that's just feeling unworthy or feeling a feeling that's just less than, it's like, oh, now I have all this energy to actually devote to the thing that I really do want. So it's been incredible to really have that experience.
I am going back into the world feeling stronger, lighter, more empowered, more clear on all the ways that I want to be of service, and just so grateful for everything that I've learned here. If you're feeling like you want to be here, whatever you need to do to get yourself here, it's worth it.
It has been by far one of the most powerful, sacred, and well-held containers that I have ever experienced, and the things I am leaving with, the connections, the people, and the confidence inside myself is indescribable.
I myself do transformational work, and as a leader, I can share with you that this experience is beyond your wildest imagination, and you will truly and absolutely get every penny's worth.
Here, it's like I get to process it immediately. I get to really go deep inward and find the root of whatever was causing some sort of disturbance in my field. And so I feel very grateful to have been handed this ascension technology to move me forward in my journey and allow me to have grace with myself, to have love with myself and with other people.